Rainbow Star. Hey, Star Swirl. What's up? Take my bags, please. Okay. Hey, Frenzy. Hey, guys. Where should I put my backpack? Just put it by the closet thingy. Okay. And there you go. Oopsies. My dress is so poofy. I can't stand on its own. Oh well. I'll put Rarity's thing back too. Rarity, why do you get so much stuff for one night? Oh, you know, just in case you don't have anything. Okay, let's go downstairs. Yeah, let's jump off. Star Swirl, are you okay? I'm perfect then okay. Yeah, I'm going down too. Meet you there. What are you doing? I'm just smelling something. And came from that side. Then it disappeared here. That's what I smelled. Oh, so good. Ooh, you cook really good. Thanks. You're welcome. Okay, now you ate your portion, so now it's our portion to eat. Are you coming, Rainbow Star? Yep, just perfect. Okay. Have some tea? Thank you. Here's the ingredient. I put flour, sugar, water, yeah, and then just put it into the oven and it's ready. So yeah. What was that? I don't know. Girls, I'm scared. I'm the scaredest one here, Rarity. Oh, don't be scared, cat. Be quiet. I'm gonna check upstairs. While here. Girls, go our brave Pegasus, go! Thanks, Star Swirl. Is everything okay? Oh, why did the lights turn off? I can't see anything. Girls! Darling, help! Help! Star Swirl, it's okay. Guys, you've got me. Oh, Rainbow Star. Sorry. That's not for me. So was it something? No, I didn't find anything. But why did the lights turn off? Yes, darling, why did they turn off? I don't know. I just came upstairs and then the lights went off. I don't know why and how, but they went off. Okay. Star Swirl, where are you? I'm here, darling. And where? Oh, okay. I feel it. Ow! Sorry. Okay, guys, we need to find the light switch. Go for the buttons or wherever you find. Okay. Ow! Ouch! Whoop. I think I pressed the stairs button. Oh. Ow! Who is this? Sorry. I'm a P Explorer. Or Booster. It's okay. Ow! Ouch! Ow! Ow! I don't like this game. Swirl, you have to deal with this. It's for your own, I don't know, for something. You just have to find the light switch. Ow! Oh! Ouch. Huh, I didn't fall. Swirl, that's not funny. Oh. Well, at least we found the light switch. Yes. But what was that noise? I don't know. Guys? What's... why is the door opened? Sorry. Oh, Swirl. Okay, I'm getting a little bit scared. Me too. The lights went off again! Seriously? Now we need to find the light switch again. I think I went forward. Really? Let's go forward. Ouch! Ow! Rainbow Star, don't bump into me. Fine. Oh, I think I found something. What is it? Ow! Ouch! Ow, that hurt. Oh my. Oh, my head. Dun dun dun! Guys, stop screaming. What is this stupid thing lying on the floor? Yes, darling, what is it? It's Fluffles. When I want him, he gets alive. I want you, Fluffles. Wah! Fluffles. Fluffles, I love you. So, technically, you're saying that he was squeaking with the door, he turned off the lights, so I got a big bump on my head, right? I'm not sure if it was him. It was him. Who else would it do? Yes. Well, he stayed at home. I don't know how he happened to come here. Maybe because you wanted him. Yes, maybe. Okay, fine, you win. Well, let's go downstairs and continue our conversations. Yep. Oh, finally everything is over.